Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the gyoza. Let's have a look at what you will need. Here, I'm using the gyoza pastry that I bought in the Asian shop. Cutting the cabbage. First, slice the top off and keep it for the decoration. Then cut in half and remove the middle part out. And slice it into pieces of 1 cm thickness, and then finely chop again. I add some salt to the cabbage to drain the water. I do this to make sure that my cabbage completely dry. By drying the cabbage, it will have a stronger taste. You can use the white cloth as I am using here to press the water out. Next, finely chop the chives. Peel the ginger with a spoon, slice it, and start cutting it finely. Okay, now it's mixing time. Put all the ingredients into the bowl. After adding everything, mix well and massage it until everything becomes one piece that stick together. Let's see how to wrap the gyoza. When you unpack the pastry, make sure to cover it with the wet cloth, otherwise it will dry and can't fold anymore. I use a spoon and add the filling into the middle of the pastry. Pay close attention because these take practice and skill. Apply the water on the top half of the gyoza leaf, fold the bottom upward, and start making a little folding on the left and right. Push it a little bit to make sure the water glue everything together. And this is how the perfect gyoza is supposed to look like. And now let's start cooking. We will bake the gyoza crispy on the side and soft in the other side. Pour a little bit of oil in the non-sticky pan and then turn on the high heat. Then add the gyoza and bake it until golden brown. Add a bit of water after that and cover with the lid to let it steam. After the water evaporated from the pan and the gyoza has become see-through, you know that they are ready. Use the ponzu sauce to dip it in, or mix soju with Japanese rice vinegar to have a similar taste. If you want a little bit of spicy, you can add the chili oil. There you have it, my super yummy gyoza. So delicious. Thank you for watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.